All right, y'all, let me tell you these last two things, then we'll take our potty break and then you can, okay? All right, so take a look at this last one, okay? It says, hey, all right, here we go. All right, last one. All right, so Sabrina claims that the correlation between the long jump and the dash time is 0.838 inches per second. Is she right? What's the problem? Yeah, so no units. She is incorrect because no units. R has no units. Okay, so that's important to remember. Okay, so R has no units. If they say it does, they're wrong. Okay, so R has no units whatsoever. All right, all those other changes left it the same. Okay, so if we switch the variables, it stays the same. If I change my measurement to inches or to feet instead of inches, it stays the same. But if I put units on R, it's incorrect. Okay, all right, and then the last thing, okay, says the scatter plot shows the relationship between the height in inches and GPA of some high school students. Okay, how are those 2 points up there going to change my correlation? Okay, is it going to make it weaker or stronger? Weaker. Why is it going to make it weaker? Because they're way out of the line outliers. Okay, so it would be weaker because the outliers are not in the pattern. Okay, and so that's what your questions are going to look like tonight. It's going to ask you things like that. Okay, find the R. I got to unlock it first. Find the R. What happens if I change the order of the variables? What happens if I change the units? That kind of stuff, right? What happens if we throw some extra points in there along the way? Okay. I think it's got 5 questions today. Yes, it does. All right. So let me stop that recording.